Today I unboxed the Victorinox Swiss Army Knife, the classic Alox model, classic SD. I never opened it, but this looks a bit strange here. Anyway, made in Switzerland. The box is, this is the box of the mini champ Alox. So the classic SD Alox is a bit more special. It's a more fancy box than the mini champ. So this thing will open by itself. Hope there is no stone inside. Swiss made. Wow. This is the Victorinox Swiss Army Knife, the mini version, 54mm I believe. 54mm I think it's the size. And it's the red version, Alox. This Alox Classic SD comes without the toothpick and without the tweezers. There is no tweezers on it. So the model is Classic SD Alox Alox Sweet Berry. The model number is 0.62. The model number is 0.6221.201G. And that's the barcode. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Don't know, looks like it was opened before, maybe. Oh, the thing is still inside there. Or maybe I was supposed to open it from the other side. Anyway. So many colors. Wow. I would say too many colors. Even these ones. Warranty. Always limited warranty. If it gets clogged, use oil on the oiling points, on the middle and on the end. So many colors really. Let's see if there is something there. I think it's upside down. Like this. Is it? Yeah, it's upside down. First time I see this. Oh, it's inside. It's there. Oh, it's so small. Really? Wow. I have the mini champ here. They're about the same length, but the color is really interesting. Wow. Paper foam. It's paper. My phone came into a case very similar to this one. Sony Xperia 1.5. The same paper, same material. Or even there is the ring. The ring has its own slot there. Let's see. Oh, it's so super thin. Wow. Oh, wow. I mean, the mini champ and the classic XD, both Alox. It's like really less than half the size. Yeah, half, I would say half the size. It's written here Victorinox on it. See, it's so tiny. Wow. It's really precious. And the logo and this pattern, it's, I don't know if it's aluminium, this thing. I think it's maybe some other kind of metal, hopefully not as soft as aluminium. There is a dent here. Is that a defect? Or is it from the packing? No, it's from the packing. It's okay. Just a piece of paper from the packing. Wow. This is really so tiny. And the thing, thin, it's so thin. It's only... Okay, let's see. There's the blade. Writing on it. Victorinox Swiss made stainless. And nothing on the other side. Nice springy action. Nail file and screwdriver point. Could also use it as a pick. A bit of oil. From the oil. And on the other side, the scissors. And that's all about this. There's not much in the classic SD. The Rambler has an extra screwdriver, but there is no Alox version of Rambler. Maybe I can replace the scissors here with the screwdriver. This screwdriver is pretty... Where is it? I think this tool would fit there. Yeah, you could use this as a screwdriver, so okay. Really nice as a gift, not expensive, and very interesting. Also keychain friendly. 54 millimeters, I think it's the size of this. Wow.